UPSC Computer Organization Model Question Paper 1 Part A. Answer the following questions. First question, what is microoperations? The microoperation in digital computers are of four types. Register transfer microoperation, transfer binary information from one register to another. Arithmetic microoperations perform arithmetic operations on numeric data stored in registers. Shift microoperations performed on data. Second question, name the two types of complements of base or systems. There are two types of complements for each base or systems, R's complement and the R minus 1's complement. When the value of the base are substituted in the name, two types are referred as the seconds and ones complement of binary numbers. Third question, what is the register transfer language? The term register transfer can perform microoperations and transfer the result of operation to the same or other register. Fourth question, what is an addressing mode? Each instruction requires certain data on which is adds to operate. The various formats of specifying the operands are called the addressing modes. Fifth question, what are the fields found in instruction format? The most common fields are operation field specifies the operation to be performed like addition. Address field which contains the location of the operand, for example register or memory location. Mode field which specify how operand is to be founded. What is RISC pipeline? The classic RISC pipeline which are used in central processing unit. CPUs to allow the overlapping execution of multiple instructions with the same circuitry. This circuitry is usually divided by the stages and each stage processes one instruction at a time. Seventh question, what is a microprocessor? A microprocessor is a multi-purpose programmable clock-driven register-based electronic device that reads binary instructions from a storage device called memory, accepts binary data as input and processes data according those instructions and provide results as outputs. Eighth question, list any four data transfer instructions of 8085. First one, move. Move RD/RS copies data from source register RS to destination register RD. This is a 1-byte instruction, for example move A, B. And then MVI. MVI or 8-bit loads the 8 bits data of register specified. This is a 2-byte instructions, for example MVI A, 4A. Third one, out. Out 8-bit port address. It sends the content of the accumulator to the output port specified. This is a 2-byte instruction. Example out 85. In 8-bit port address, it reads accept data from the input port and load in the accumulator. This is a 2-byte instruction. Example in 84. Ninth question, what is an vectored interrupt? A vectored interrupt is a processing technique which the interrupting device directs the processor to appropriate interrupt service routine. 10th question, write a 8085 program to subtract to 8-bit BCD number. Memory, mnemonics, operands, comments. Memory is 2000, mnemonics MVID, operands is C, OH, comment is C less than or minus 00H, carry. Memory is 2002, mnemonics is LHLD, operands is 2500, command is H minus L less than or minus 2500. Memory is 2005, mnemonics is move, operands is A, L, command is A less than or minus L. So 2006-7 like this, the same things of memory, mnemonics, operands and commands display on the screen. 11th question, list any two features of Pentium 15. It has a high-speed performing rate so that system are able to perform at the maximum CPU rate of 3.6 GHz. Turbo technology is present in the device which helps you to boost up the working speed. It offers 64-bit architecture to get reliable working. What are the features of 8257 DMA controller? Feature of 8257. 12th question, it has 4 channels which can be used over 4 input-output devices. Each channel has 16-bit address and 14-bit counters. Each channel can transfer data up to 64 KB. Each channel can be programmed independently. Each channel can perform read transfer, write transfer and verify transfer operations.